But sticking to the price charts, it's really cool because you no longer look at a candle as being red or green. You're looking at it from a strength perspective, where you can have a red candle, which is a bearish candle, and it could be a bullish sign for you. You can have a green candle, which is a bullish candle, and it could be a bearish sign for you. Now, some of you guys are like, how the hell? No, how? What? Say what? Right? Going back to the beatbox earlier, right? I'm going to show you how. So what I like to do is this, right? We're going to erase the wicks a little bit. We'll draw a fresh one. I like to divide the candle into 3 elements. Let's just take this as our little candlestick right here, right? And I'm going to make it, well, yeah, we'll do one for bullish and then we'll do one for bearish, right? I like to divide the candle into 3 areas, right? There's an upper third, there's a middle third, and there's a lower third, right? Keep in mind, remember what this candle represents, right? This is movement. In this specific candle, which is green, this is a bullish one, which means we started down here and we ended up here. So if we have a close in the upper third of our candle, right? This is going to be a strong bullish candle. It is a positive sign for buyers because price was able to push and close at the top of the range, right? So remember, the wick represents the highest part. This candle was able to close almost near the session highs. Give me a yes if you follow me. This is where it's probably gonna get a little bit more confusing, but you can always review these tapes later. Now, this candle can look like this. It can look like this. It can look like this, right? This part matters, but for as far as perspective of identifying the strength of a candle, what matters is the close and what range did it close in. Does that make sense? So this is a strong bullish candle. This is a strong bullish candle. What is this? A strong bullish candle. Why? Because the close was in the upper third of the range. Remember, this whole wick represents the range. Once again, give me a yes if you guys are with me. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Next is going to be a, oh, how do I spell this? Neutral. Did I get it right? No, E first. Gosh, can't spell. So embarrassing and kill. A neutral bullish candle. Give me 1 second. Let me finish on neutral and weak, and then we can ask questions. We're gonna go over, so I'm already accepting that, right? So if price action closes in the middle third, this is gonna be a neutral bullish candle, right? Didn't close in the upper third, not strong. Didn't close in the bottom third, not weak. This is a neutral one. Again, could look like this, could look like this, could look like this, could look like this. Neutral, neutral, neutral. There will be a spelling test at the end, yes. And of course, at the bottom is going to be what? We have strong, we have neutral, weak, bullish candle. So if price action closes in the lower third, weak. If price action closes in the lower third, weak. So a strong bullish candle will give us a good sign that, hey, bullish strength is likely to continue. A neutral bullish candle will give us a good sign that we maybe don't know. Indecision, could go either way, right? Tug of war, stalemate. A weak bullish candle is a sign of buyers beware, right? Now, if you look real quick, can anyone spot, look at our most recent candle on the chart. What type of candle is that currently? If we look at this right here. Weak bullish, right? Perfect example of that. So far, it's got 7 minutes before the close, so we'll see how it closes. But that would be a weak bullish. All right, so there was a question. Go ahead and shoot it out. Shoot it in now. Sorry, I'm reading about all the violence that's happening in my hometown. It's horrible. Horrible, Philadelphia. My dad made a good point the other day. He was like, you'd think everyone that was bad would be shot already with all the crime. He's like, but just keep reloading. But let me know what question you had, or if anyone has a question about this so far. And we'll do a bearish example real quick. Now I'll kind of put on the afterburners. All right, so while we're waiting for the question, let's do a bearish one. And again, I'll have you guys walk through it. All right, so bearish candle, little thick boy right there. Where would price need to close if we wanted to have a strong bearish candle? Pop quiz. Told you it was coming. Oh yeah, you better get excited, Daniel. This is just the tip of the iceberg. If we want to have a weak bearish candle, we need to close in the lower third. Remember, the close for a bearish candle is going to be the bottom. So top to bottom to bottom to top. Correct. Strong bearish candle. Gosh. Where would we need to close for a strong bearish candle? Oh, sorry, I did this the wrong way. Sorry about that. Hold on. Weak bearish candle. You guys had it wrong. No. Weak bearish candle is going to be in the upper third. You guys suckered me into this. Weak bearish candle is going to be up here. You guys tricked me. Hold on. Weak bearish candle is going to be in the upper third. Remember, the open is at the top. Close is at the bottom. Sorry about that, guys. So if we close in the upper third, this is the exact opposite of the bullish. This is going to be our weak bearish candle. Now, where is our strong bearish candle? Strong bearish candle, bottom third. Yep. What about now? What is this candle called? What about now? Right? Some people are, and we're not going to get into it this week, but there are different levels of strength as well, right? There's a big difference between, I'll do this next. Anyway, neutral bearish, this is the easy one. I don't think we need to draw it over. Where's neutral bearish? Right in the middle. All right. Now, do you guys feel, and I don't know if that question ever came in, if so, I missed it, but do you guys feel comfortable with the 3 levels of a candle? And I'm still waiting for that question to come in, so get it in. All right. Now, just to touch on it real quick, we're not going to go too deep into it because I'm already low on time, but there are also different levels of strength. So I want to show you 2 candles, and I want you to tell me which is the stronger candle. Now these are both going to be looked at as what type of candles? Both of these will fall under the category of strong bearish candles. Would you guys agree? Strong bearish, not just bearish. What type of bearish? Strong bearish, right? They both close in the bottom third. Which of these candles is stronger? The left or the right? The left one. Why? Why is the left stronger? The close is lower. All right, well, what if I make the close the same? Because the length of the candle has more to do with momentum and whatnot, but why is the left one stronger than the right one? So remember the story, right? This wick represents the what? This is the lowest point